Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Wondering if your email actually left Outlook? It's a common question, and thankfully, Outlook provides clear ways to confirm. The primary place to check is your Sent Items folder. This folder is usually located in the navigation pane on the left side of your Outlook window. If your email appears in Sent Items, it means Outlook successfully processed and sent it from your account. This is your first and most reliable indicator. Sometimes, you might want extra confirmation that the email reached the recipient's server. For this, you can use delivery receipts. You typically enable these before sending the email, often found under the Options tab in a new message window. If you requested a delivery receipt, it will arrive as a separate email in your inbox, confirming the message was delivered to the recipient's mail server. What if your email isn't in Sent Items? First, check your outbox. If it's there, Outlook tried to send it but couldn't, likely due to a connection issue or a large attachment. It will remain in the outbox until it can be sent. Also, quickly look in your Drafts folder, just in case you closed the message without fully sending it. By checking these few spots, you can quickly determine the status of your outgoing emails and ensure your messages are on their way.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.